Okay, so in the previous video, we have created this carousel component, but I have forgot to specify the indexing and keys within this iteration. So let's make it as well. So index and this as key index. Okay, now looks quite okay. Right now, if I go to this page, the next thing is this sort of content and these sort of links and these sort of headers. So let's make those components as well. So this is some sort of a text, right? So we can simply put it over here. But yeah, for the organization I will comment these stuffs, then you can easily understand what is happening. So this is main banner, and this is like box components, and this is carousel. And now we need let's say page content, right? So I'm gonna make a simple p tag, and I have installed this plugin called lorem ipsum. So this generates random text, right? So we don't need to copy and do stuff like that. So what you have to do is press F1 and type lorem ipsum and insert a paragraph, right? So it will insert this paragraph. Then if you go to the web page, there is that paragraph. Okay. So likewise, you can add several paragraphs uh, like this. So I will add 6. Right. Okay. Now it has sort of a content, and I will format it. Okay. So this is the content, and let's add some sort of a styling as well. So this has sort of a padding. Let's say 100 px. Right. So if you go to the website, see there's a sort of padding. So I don't think 100 px is enough. Let's put 200 px. Okay, now it has sort of a value. Then let's set py of 5 mil. Okay, and yeah, let's make this as xm. So it has a smaller text, and let's make text gray 200. No, text gray maybe 700. Okay, right. Then all of these stuff we can wrap under one div, right? That div has class name bg gray 200 maybe, right? So yeah, now our content is done. So it's something like this, and now we can add these um, sort of uh, links, right? So I will format this, and yeah, let's see how we add those links. So we have this links tab over here. And I think we can refactor this code sort of, because this is a box component and carousel. So let's make this as a standard container. Let's say standard container group. So in that standard container group, we can put this thing, and instead of data, I will make this as a prop, and let's add import standard container group, and instead of this one, I can add that. So that's how it works. And once that standard container is imported, okay, I think we have to remove this one. Oh no, you have to go to this group. I will format it, and we have to import standard container inside this standard container group. Then we can remove this one. Okay, now if we this one as well, go to our web view. Okay, now it is same as it is. So it has this main banner, box components, carousels, and page content. So page content can be again modularized, but for now I think it will be okay. And yeah, inside this page component, this is the, let's say 4.1 main content, and we need 4.2, which is sublinks. So inside the sublinks, we can declare a new div. So, or maybe we can create another component. So I will make this as link group.js, and inside home we can import this. So this is I think we have to rfce, then link group. So here we can import the link group. Go here. Okay, so link group component is imported. So this link group is something like this. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns, right? And it has several different links. So what I can do is make this as grid calls 5, and it has several calls, right? So initially it has 5 columns like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this comes under this padding as well. So I will make this padding in the parent class. Then it will be applied to over here as well. Okay, so now inside this link group, you can see this is sort of a title, and these are the links. So we need to have this sort of a behavior. So what I can do is inside the link group, I will create another div which is the title, right? uh, so I will make this as uh, font semi bold and text the same. Okay, now it has this thing, and it has several sublinks inside it as well. So div and div. So this is class name flex call. Let's say gap of 1, and let's say this is a sublink, and that sublink has class names of maybe let's say uh, text xs, which means express mode. And yeah, now yeah, so this has the thing that we require, and the title has pb of 3 maybe. Okay, and I will make another component called sublink, which returns a sublink. So import nav link, right? And you must have it like this with the path and the name. The names go inside like this, and the path goes to the 2. And sublink is somewhat like this, and the name goes inside it. Then we can remove this one, and let's make 2 as something to I already did the home page, and name maybe let's say stop. Right? Okay, so now the item is there, and we can have several couple of items. Let's say I don't know, let's say Mac, iPad, iPhone, and watch, and maybe AirPods, things like that. Right? So you can populate it from the amount that you want. Okay, I will make the gap of 2 maybe 3. Okay, then these items must have say some sort of hovering effect, say underline, right? Okay, it has that effect, and the title maybe let's say shop and line. Okay, and yeah, this entire thing has a border of t, which is 2 pixels maybe. Okay, and border t having a color of gray maybe 800, otherwise it won't be visible. Maybe 500, no, 400. Okay, and I don't think I need 2. I will just add border t, and I need py, that's maybe 5. Okay, right? And I think shop and learn is also text access. Okay, and it is not semi-bold but bold. And maybe you can give a color text gray 700. Text gray 700. Okay. Right. Now you can see again this is a modularized component. So what we can do is make it as sublink wrapper, right? So it has children components and it has a title, right? So this is that wrapper. This need to be returned, right? This is arrow function, and this is the title, and these are the children. Okay, then I can call this sublink wrapper over here. The title of this, and the children's are this. I can remove this stuff and I can format the document, right? So it has this nice looking feature, right? So likewise you can populate other 5 columns as you wish. So for now I will just remove these 5 and yeah, copy it maybe 3 times. So currently it has the exact same thing, but you can have different stuffs like this. Let's say maybe services, say Apple Music, Apple TV Plus, like that. Okay, so I'm not going to do furthermore because you understand what I'm saying, right? You just have to populate the exact same thing, right? With the different items you want, right? So as you can see, that is very modularized. We don't repeat our codes, and we just generate what is required, only reusing the existing component, right? So that is the link group and the contents, right? Yeah, so in the next video I will show you how to create a footer. Then we can wrap up this module. All right, yeah, so thank you.